Call me crazy, but it's been a minute since we've done any real cleaning and work on this thing, so. As we brought the rig into this campground here, there's a blue beacon literally right on the other side of the street from us. So we took the opportunity, spent the money there, got our blue beacon wash done on it. So now I have decided that I am going to compound and wax it. Now I know that I'm not going to get this done all in one day, and y'all probably going to have to see me piecemeal it around, but I really would like to get this, and I'll move back here so y'all can see it. I really like to get this big section here, and maybe eventually get this whole side done over the weekend here. So we'll see. It's hot out here and the sun's on part of it, so I just have to kind of piecemeal it around, take lots of breaks, and get the job done. Do y'all pay to have it done, or do you do it yourself? I would think that doing this big, almost 44-foot rig would be probably $1,500 or more to compound it and hand wax it out. And yeah, I'm just going to save that money. It gives me something to do. It's good exercise. Well, I don't know if you can hear me with the wind because I'm filming with my phone, but we have started the process of buffing. Well, we had it washed. We talked about it before. Compounded it on one side and then waxing it. So we're trying to get all of this side done. It's in the good and shade, and then I'll pick either the front or rear, depending on which one's in there. Donna's been out helping me some. She comes in and out. Got the smoker going, cooking something up, getting a couple of 2 or 3 meals ahead for the work week coming up. So yeah, loads of fun. If you've ever done this, this is a big job. I'm hot and sweaty, but it has all been compounded, and part of it's been waxed. My help quit on me. I hope you're happy, Andrea. This is all to be determined's fault. She was doing fine until her friends got involved. But no, to be continued. To be continued. Tomorrow's a travel day. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. We have got, let me go slow here, quite a mess to have to clean up. So we're going to start cleaning up the mess, start getting ready to head to Wyoming. Start heading in that direction tomorrow. This morning, we got up and left Kansas City, Missouri area over at Oak Grove, where we've been talking and doing the work on all of the compounding and waxing. That was where we were working on that at. When we left today, we did our normal checks, and we stopped a couple of times. I did my normal checks around up on the way back. Normally Donna does not like to cook on, or I don't like to even cook on travel days. So we went out to eat, got us a couple of good burgers and bar. The Nebraska Ale House here in Kearney, Nebraska. If y'all are in this, that's worth stopping to. That was a fantastic burger on there. But when we came back, guess what? We had a flat tire, and I'll put a picture up here. I've already jacked it up before I picked up the camera here. So we have a flat tire, so I guess that's going to delay us a little bit in the morning. See if we can't find a replacement. I do have a spare. We're going to put the spare on it for right now, and then we'll see if we can figure out what to do in the morning, whether to just ride it out or what to do. So we got to figure that part out. Donald's inside doing some research. In the meantime, I'm outside doing some tire changing. Now y'all know me, a little bit of an overachiever when it comes to tools, but got my air compressor, and it's small. It doesn't run the impact wrench really good, but it's enough to get the job done. Impact stuff that goes along with it, the torque wrench, in order to torque it all back down to specs. So we got all of our tools and stuff just in case. We've went through this in a previous video. I'll put a link up here for another video about being safe out on the road, and thank goodness this happened here, and we found it while we're sitting still on a concrete pad in a campground, and it's shady, because if it had been out on the interstate today and had a blowout, it was 96 degrees out there. It was miserable, so I couldn't imagine having to deal with that.
I got the size on there, but there's different ones.
Give y'all a once over. Here's our problem. Got a cut right on the sidewall right there. Got really lucky. This one seems to be in good shape. I looked at it, so that cut on the sidewall right there. I said that could have been bad. I must have did it coming in here, or There is no telling. And that's that. And I'm doing this, make sure and save your, you don't want to scratch it up, you know. And another thing to remember, take your tire monitoring system off and be sure and put it on your next one. Be a good idea, huh? Well, here's the plan. As you can see, we have the spare on there. Donna is inside and she has done some Google researching and found out that there's a big old tire less than 10 minutes from here. So I'm gonna get up in the morning, be standing on their steps, come back, put it on here, and then we'll hit the road from here in the morning. So nothing like getting started with changing the tire first thing. So hopefully we can get on the road by 9 in the morning. We'll see how that goes. Life on the road, ain't it grand? Well, there's been a bit going on this morning. It is bright and early. Shoot, I don't even think it's but about 8:30 or so, maybe 9 o'clock now. But 415 miles to go today and another day tomorrow after that. And I really just didn't want to put those miles on a spare because the spare is getting a little age on it. It would be all right for a spare, but that's it. So Donna did some researching and we found that there was a big old tire here in town. Shout out to them. They hooked us up with an equivalent tire. It's not our brand, but it's still a good quality tire. We'll work with that. So I have managed to go get that this morning. Surprisingly enough, our neighbors that are not there anymore were behind us. Tim, they had a flat tire when we got here. And the funny thing was I had asked them, I said, do you need any tools? Being neighborly kind of thing, and they said no. And of course we got back from dinner and then we've got a flat, so we took his and mine both to big old tires this morning. Both got on the road. They've gotten out a little quicker than us. So yep, new tire is installed. Spare you see still laying on the ground back there. We'll get it here in just a second. We're starting to pack up and put this show back on the road. Still got a long way. It's gonna be a long ride today. Now while we're out on the road, that is one thing that is nice about having our camper. We can stop, use the bathroom. We're here at Love's. Had to get fuel anyway, but now Mama's making us up some what's for lunch?
Chicken salad sandwich.
Chicken salad sandwiches. We can sit here, turn on the air conditioner with the solar system, let things cool off a little bit, sit down and just take a break. Today's a little bit of a longer travel day for us. We normally don't go quite this far, but trying to make a little time. It's all I-80, and literally we got on I-80 and it said next stop 415 miles. I was like, ooh, that's a long ride. So we have made it to we're just south of Pinedale, Wyoming, in a little place called Boulder, Wyoming, and we are hooked up with our friends Jason and Jennifer, and Clay and Maria are here. They're right side by side. I'll give you a shot of that here in just a minute. But finally made the trip. It was a big day after the flat tire fiasco. Yesterday's travel day was just one of those days that, anyway, it was one of those days. So here we are. We are at Wind River View Campground. There are some buddy sites, but even if there is, there's still plenty of room in between the sites here. You can see Donna's got the Jeep parked in between the sites, and this being the next site over here. So it's not buddy sites like you traditionally think that it would be. So it's not too terrible. We are looking forward to getting out here in the wide open spaces. This will probably be in another video. We're going to get off into some adventures with our friends and hang around. I hope you enjoyed this. It wasn't much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, guys.